Hello everyone, my name is Lucas Weber with Ag Business and Crop, and today we're going to get legal with drones. So there's two licenses to get legal. First, there's the basic and advanced. So for the basic, that's going to be between your 250 gram and 25 kilogram drones. So that's going to be a $10 test online, 35 marks in 90 minutes. Once you've completed that, you'll get a certificate and you're legally able to fly those types of drones. Next is your advanced. So that's going to be what's needed for those 25 kilogram and up drones, like the application drone for XAG P100 Pro. So that's going to be a $10 test online, 50 questions, and it's going to be only in 60 minutes. So once you have that online test completed, you're going to come to an in-person reviewer like us at Ag Business and Crop, and you're going to show us what you've learned over the time of studying for your advanced license, and have something like an in-person review where you're going to show us how you operate a drone and all the steps necessarily to operate safely. Now, once you complete both the online test and in-person review, then we'll get you your advanced license. Lastly, for these licenses, you have to do a 2-year recency to keep up to date on air laws. Lastly, to fly advanced operations like the application drones, you need an SFOC, a Special Flight Operating Certificate, which are going to be documents handed to Transport Canada showing what kind of operations you're going to be doing. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to call us or email us at Ag Business and Crop. And for anything, don't hesitate to reach out. Anyhow, thank you so much. Happy flying, and we'll see you soon.